General Motors would begin manufacturing electric bicycles and announced a crowdsourcing campaign to create a brand. Today, the automaker launched the winning name, Ariv, which was pronounced as Ariv, and said it would start taking orders in certain countries in Europe. GM will manufacture 2 models with the new Ariv brand, Meld, a compact electric bicycle, and the Merge, a folding electric bicycle. GM still holds most of the specifications in secret, but said bike engines will allow speeds of up to 25 km per hour, 15.5 mph with 4 levels of pedal-assisted power. Passengers can charge the battery of their electric bicycle in approximately 3.5 hours and receive up to 64 km 40 miles of travel time on a single charge. GM is launching bicycles in Germany, Belgium and the Netherlands, where electric lithium-ion bicycles are popular. In Belgium and the Netherlands, Ariv Meld starts at less than $3,200, and Ariv Merge is around $3,800, but prices will be slightly lower in Germany. GM expects to start shipping to customers in the second quarter of this year. Both bicycles are connected to an application that provides driving metrics such as speed, distance, remaining battery level, motor assistance level and distance traveled. GM says that additional features have been planned for the application, including a mode that will use a patented algorithm to help users reach their destination without sweat. The electric motorcycles Merge and Meld come equipped with a quad lock stand to securely attach a smartphone to the handlebar.